Hey guys, good afternoon. CryptoPaul here. Just want to do a quick update on the ICO with BinaryCoin. But before we get to that, like always, I want to thank all the current subscribers for your support and comments. And if you're new to the channel and you find the information helpful, please help support us by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that way you get updates on new ICO, existing ICO in progress, lending platform in progress, and anything related with cryptocurrency. As you can see, I've already logged into my BinaryCoin dashboard, and guess what? It's sold out. So yesterday, I think it was like 400 or 600 left, but yeah, it was gone. I logged in this morning. It was all sold out. So as you know, the ICO space, especially with the lending, they've been selling like hotcakes. Good or bad, I don't know, because remember ICO, there's a lot of risk. So I guess that since I brought that up, just go ahead and make my risk disclaimer. So never invest more than what you can afford to lose. Okay, don't invest. Your rent money, car money, mortgage money, all that stuff. Okay, so whatever you do, please make sure you do your own research. What we do is just basically a process that we go through to see if we want to back a project or not. Okay, so this was one of the projects that we backed, and we always show our progress. So like I said, 10 million is sold. So what now? Okay, because the ICO just started, I think at the beginning of the month. Okay, so basically 9 days into it was gone. Okay, what I do like about this particular one versus other is that it's first come, first serve. Okay, so there's no daily limit or per round. So if you see it, you like it, you want to back it up, you just get in whatever state you're in. That's where you gonna buy. So there's no pressure, unlike others with this limitation, which is good because you have a lot of traffic, a lot of publicity. So while this one, they were, like I mentioned before, this is my sleeper. They were under the radar. Okay, but guess what? 9 days into it, they were sold out, similar to ETH Connect. Okay, so at this point, we won't see any new updates until December. Okay, at that point they will be listed on CoinMarketCap and Crypto Compare, and then the lending will start. And what else? And of course the exchanges, so Coin Exchange and Nova Exchange. So most likely those Coin Exchange probably be the first one. Once again, I have no inside information. I'm just an investor like you guys. So, but looking at all the ICOs, Coin Exchange seem to be one of the easiest to get in. You just basically pay a fee, and you have enough volume or so, they'll get you listed. Okay, same thing with Nova Exchange. So these are more of the smaller player in the on the exchange side. Okay, but the main thing is we just want to get listed. Okay, so as you look at the roadmap, you can see there that they predict the issue price going to be at $25, and I think the reason for that is really comes down to the supply. They only have 10 million total. They're keeping 500,000 in their I guess pocket, just for future endeavor or reserve, and they were only offering about 9.5 million to the public during the ICO. Okay, now one of the things that I like about this program originally was, I think the down here, well, let's go up a little bit. Okay, first of all, they're coming from the binary option and forex space. Okay, so they've been doing this for a while, but then again, that's no guarantee that they will be successful in the lending platform and the cryptocurrency. Okay, but at least they have some experience, so that's one of the things I like about them. Similarly to the Vol coin, you know, you got people in the financial space that will be running the project. So so we'll see how that goes. Okay, but one of the things, I don't know if anyone saw, but in this tab here, so they basically develop Poolhold Inc., a private group of investors in cryptocurrency in the initial project, and in consolidated projects such as Omasa Go and Share Strauss and BitConnect. And I did not, I guess I overlooked that, or I saw it, but I didn't really connect the two. So that's great. But here's where I think they will definitely shine. It's really the OP binary. So it's basically the binary option platform. Okay, and I'm predicting they may use their coin as one of the underlying asset that you can trade on the binary option. Okay, so if you not really sure what binary options are, just Google it. So just basically you buying a contract and you're going to predict if the price will go up or down based on the time frame that you selected. So if you're right, okay, then they'll pay you about what, between 70 to 85%. If you're wrong, you lose it all. So I did that a little bit last year. It's very profitable. Okay, the great thing about buying an option is that you just have to win, I think, 61% of the time, and you're still in profit. Okay, but the other thing, one of the subscriber mentioned, which I touched base on before, is that there we go, down here, the buyback. Okay, so which they're looking at Q2, Q3 to buy back a portion of the tokens or coin, so that we can drive the value. So I think one of the person that comment think it could be even higher than 350 potential. I hope he's right, or he or she's right. Okay, that would be amazing. So, but really, like I said, by next year we will have the Visa and MasterCard debit card, so that will make it easier for us to take out profit. Okay, now one of the things I guess for me we have to start understanding is that, you know, most of the people that go into the coin, they're going to either lend it or they're going to hold it until see some price appreciation. Okay, so the key factor here is that, do you lend right away, or do you start, you know, holding it and taking profit later on? And at which point is the holding the coin will diminish the, you know, appreciation of the value. Okay, what I mean by that, if we bought it at, you know, $1 and went up to 10, that's 10x right there. Okay, that's very achievable, especially with all of the ICO that just came out. Okay, now from 10 to 100, another 10x could happen. Okay, but I don't know, I'm not sure about the time frame. Could be in a month or two. Okay, but as you get to that level, it is going to be a bit harder to 10x at that point. Okay, from 100 to 1000, it can be it'll take a bit longer time. I mean, this could, okay, I mean, if you look at BitConnect, like I said, it would have been awesome if we would have got the prices down here. Okay, so the main thing I wanted to touch base about the whether to hold or lend. If you look at BitConnect, their total supply, well, max supply is 28 million compared to BinaryCoin, which is 10. Their total supply is 8.3 versus circulating supply, which is 2.1. So CoinMarketCap used the 2.1 as their factor to calculate their market cap. Okay, so that 589 is based on this. So that means about 75% of the coin is actually being lent. So 8392580. 138,092 divided by 850. Okay, so basically only 25.4% of the coin is actually circulation as far as trading. So the difference of that, we're looking at 74 some percentage is being held by BitConnect. Okay, so that part of it is locked. So, and you're not gonna be able to trade it until your capital is released. Okay, so I guess the question here with BinaryCoin is how many would start lending, and of course at which point. Okay, for us, we've already pretty much discussed it, that probably at about 50 we can probably move a portion of it to the loan, okay, and start making profit, earnings from there, and taking that profit to this program. Okay, and of course then we're probably going to hold the bulk of it until we hopefully get to about 100, and who knows, the 350. Okay, we're shooting for the moon there, but we will see. But that's basically our goal going forward. Once the ICO, once the platform is actually up and running. So we're gonna basically touch base with you guys. We got basically 3 weeks, so we're gonna have no activity really for 3 weeks. Okay, and after that, next year looks very promising once all this stuff kicks into play. So there's a lot of potential. Okay, they basically got, there we go, I think I saw somewhere as far as how many coin they received. 1 second, let me refresh since it's been sitting there for too long. Okay, so they got 907 Bitcoin. Let's see, 907.92. 907.92. All right, so 6.5 million. Okay, so that's what they receive from the ICO, and plus remember they're keeping 500,000 of the coin itself too. Okay, so that's why I think, like I said, from those funds they'll basically be starting trading with it as from those assets, and then start, I guess, implementing all this other strategy with their business platform, and that would definitely gonna drive up the price. So, but like I said, most of the activity is gonna be coming next year, and then definitely gonna see more growth potential. But like I said, that's just all an opinion. Please make sure you do your own research. If you've already participated in the project, you already believe that there is potential here, whether it's in the lending program or just by holding the coin itself. Okay, and like I mentioned back here, like the 15% buyback at Q2, Q3 to reduce the supply down to about 8.5 million, and that definitely has the potential to drive this up even more. Okay, guys. So once again, if you did participate and join under us, thank you so much for signing up under us. So we definitely appreciate that. And like I mentioned, our goal is really to get the information out there. There's a few more ICO that's not really getting a lot of attention, but we believe that they do have a lot of potential based on our initial research and analysis, and and of course we already put funds in there, so we'll definitely get a little bit more detail out to you guys. So as of right now, ETH Connect is done with the ICO. BinaryCoin is done. The VAR, we still got 3 more legs to finish. Unfortunately, we didn't pick up any this morning, so we're gonna go back and just reevaluate the progress, the process again, and see what we can do better next time for round 3. Okay, guys. Once again, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time. CryptoPaul out.